So every year around tax season, business owners start saying the same thing. And I made too much money and now the government is punishing me for it. And that's actually a good problem to have, right? But I'm here to tell you that you don't have to make less money to keep more of what you earn. You just have to start playing by the rules that the top 1% of Americans already know, because the wealthiest business owners don't make less money. They take advantage of the right strategies like reallocating their revenue into vehicles that will allow their money to start working for them while reducing their tax liability. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to legally and ethically lower your taxes without cutting your income or working harder. You see, what most people never realize is that taxes aren't just about what you make. Taxes are about how you make your money. So let's take two people for an example. Both making $200,000 a year, but one pays $60,000 in taxes and the other pays $25,000 in taxes. Same income, totally different outcome. Now you might be asking yourself, how does that work? It's because one person works for their money and the other person made their money work for them. And the government actually rewards that second person through the tax code. This is exactly how the ultra wealthy get by paying little to no income taxes. It's not about finding some fancy loopholes. It's about designing a plan that helps you achieve your goals. You see, the tax code is basically a 7,000-page document that says if you help the economy grow, will help you pay less in taxes. So your job as a business owner isn't to avoid taxes, it's to redirect your income into what I like to call the 3-bucket rule. Now, every dollar you earn lives in one of these 3 buckets. Bucket number 1 is a tax me bucket. This is your regular income, your W-2 paycheck, your business profits, your side hustle money. You get that money, you spend it, and then you get taxed right away. Bucket number 2 is the tax me later bucket. This is your 401k, your IRA, your set plan. You don't have to pay taxes until you retire. You're basically telling Uncle Sam, don't tax me now, tax me later when I'm tired, right? Bucket number 3 is a tax me never bucket. And this is where the magic happens. In this bucket, you have your Roth accounts, your cash value life insurance, your health savings accounts, and your trust, where your money can grow tax-free and come out tax-free when you need it the most. And if you're someone who wants more control over your investment accounts, you might want to start by filling up bucket number 3. Most people, they're stuck living paycheck to paycheck in bucket number 1. And so let's use an example here. So I was working with a 32-year-old business owner. She was making around $200,000 a year. Now, her CPA told her she owed $47,000 in taxes. This business owner reached out to me saying, Doug, I'm not comfortable with the amount of taxes I'm gonna have to pay this year. So we sat down and considered all the options we had, right? And here's what we did. And these are things you can do as well. And the very first thing we did was we opened up what's called a solo 401k, which allowed her to put away about $50,000 of her business income that reduced her taxable income instantly. That move alone saved her almost $12,000 in taxes. We then layered in a health savings account. It's like a super Roth IRA on steroids. And she was able to put over $4,000 into that account, got a deduction, and that money grows tax-free as well. Now, in addition to the solo 401k and the HSA, we use permanent life insurance, and the cash value in her policy grows tax-deferred and can be accessed tax-free when she needs it the most. She's building her own bank inside her plan. Last but not least, we optimized her entity structure. She switched from a solo prop to an S corp. So instead of paying self-employment tax on everything, she's paying herself a reasonable salary, and she takes the rest as a distribution, and she's taxed at a lower rate. We didn't cut her income by a single dollar. What we did is illegally saved her almost $18,000 in taxes the first year. Now, here's where it gets fun, because you can stack these strategies like building blocks, right? So most people use just one, like a 401k or an IRA, but the ones who want more control of their financial freedom journey, they stack. And here is how it looks in action. So you got your solo 401k for your 1099 or business income. This lowers your taxable income today. Then you add a backdoor Roth IRA. This is your tax-free growth forever account. Then you layer in a cash value life insurance plan, and that grows tax deferred, and you can take out tax-free loans later. Then you use a trust to protect and pass wealth onto multiple generations tax efficiently. You've now taken money that would have gone to taxes and rerouted it into vehicles. Build your family's net worth instead. Anyone can make money. The real flex is in keeping it, growing it, and using it to buy your freedom. Most people get mad at taxes because they don't understand them. But when you learn to play the game, it's very, very empowering. You realize it's not the system that's unfair. It's that no one ever taught you how to use it. Even billionaires like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, even Warren Buffett, they don't have some secret cheat code. They've just been taking advantage of the tax code to increase their net worth while lowering their tax bill. And that's what I want for you. I want you to stop working harder for your money that disappears and goes to the IRS and start making more money work for you and perpetuate that wealth for future generations. If this clicked for you and you're thinking, okay, I get it now, but how do I actually apply this to my business or my income? That's exactly what my team and I are put together to do. We take our clients through something called a tax efficient wealth plan. It's a quick 30-minute session where we look at your income streams, your entity setup, your tax strategy, and we show you exactly how to legally redirect money from taxes into wealth. Because the first step to building wealth is finally understanding the rules. If you want to schedule one, click the link in the description or drop SMART in the comments. Because remember, you don't have to make less to pay less in taxes. You just need to plan like the millionaire you're on your way to becoming. So thanks for watching, and if this helped you see taxes in a different way, hit the like button and subscribe for more weekly wealth tips.